Ahlan wa sahlan. This is the series of Arabic reading course for those who cannot read and write Arabic. I will start from zero to explain how to read and write in Arabic. So, let's seize the day. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel. So let's start. Letter is pronounced with lots of emphasis of throat than the letter of English. So focus on. I'm going to start right now. Letter is to. To. It sounds like T in English but heavy. To. Next letter is zo. Zo. It sounds like Z in English but heavy. Then comes important letter Ain. Ain. Okay. Ain. In English, we don't have this sound, but somewhat you can say it is similar to AE, Ain. The sound comes from throat. Ain has no dot. Zo has one dot up. Ain has no dot. Gain have one dot up. Okay. To, zo are heavy letters. Okay. How to pronounce it? The way we pronounce orange. To, zo. Ain is soft letters, light letter. So we have to pronounce in the same manner we pronounce apple. Ain. Okay. Again comes gain. This is heavy letters. So we have to pronounce the way we pronounce orange. Gain. Next letter is fa. Fa. It sounds like F in English. Okay. Next letter is qaf. Qaf. It sounds like Q in English but heavy. Qaf. Next is kaf. Kaf. It sounds like K in English. Then comes lam. Lam. It sounds like L in English. Let's see the dots. Fa have one dot up. Kaf have two dot up. Kaf and lam does not have any dot. Okay. Fa is light, soft letters and we have to pronounce the same way we pronounce apple. Fa. But qaf is heavy letter, so we have to pronounce the way we pronounce orange. Qaf. Then comes kaf and lam. They are soft, light letters. So we have to pronounce the same way we pronounce apple. Kaf and lam. Next letter is noon. Noon. It sounds like N in English. Then comes Meme. Meme. It sounds like M in English. Noon has one dot inside and meme has no dot. There is ha. Ha. It sounds like H in English. Okay. But this ha, this sound comes from throat. And this ha, this is from mouth. Only ha. Okay. Next letter is wow. Wow. It sounds like W in English. Next is ya. Ya. It sounds like Y in English. Okay. Now let's see the dot. Ha has no dot. Wow has no dot. Ya has two dot down. Okay. And ya is the last letter. Don't worry about how hard it looks now, but the tip is to take it step by step. letter by letter. Just learn with me and you will see how easy actually it is. Let's see all together. So, those letters which are light are written in the apple, and those letters which are heavy are written in the orange. So light letter supposed to read like a apple. Okay, read like an apple. And heavy letter are supposed to read like orange. Okay, let's see all. Alif. Alif. Okay, Alif always comes with hamza. This top part is known as hamza. Okay, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sod, dod, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf. Letter is kaf. Lam, mim, noon, wow, ha, ya. Okay, sometimes we write ha like this and sometimes we write ha like this. Both are same. Okay, this is the end of the video. But if you have any doubt learning those letters, you can write in the comment section. Okay, take care. Ma salama.